Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The automotive world is undergoing a seismic shift. For decades, traditional materials dominated car production, but now, sustainability demands a new approach. Japanese carmakers, known globally for their engineering precision, are leading this change. They are focusing intensely on integrating recycled materials for panels into their vehicles. This isn't a slow drift, it's a focused race toward a critical deadline, 2026. This push is changing how cars look and feel, and more importantly, how they impact the planet. By replacing virgin plastics and metals with secondary resources, companies like Honda, Nissan, and Toyota are setting new benchmarks for environmental responsibility. This transformation addresses massive waste issues, reduces reliance on oil, and meets the growing demands of conscious consumers. The journey toward a more sustainable vehicle starts right here, with the external panels you see every day. The big push: why Japanese carmakers are racing to use recycled panels. Japanese automakers aren't deciding to use recycled materials just for good press. This aggressive timeline, focused on 2026, is driven by powerful forces. These forces include strict government mandates, rising consumer expectations for green products, and necessary corporate sustainability goals. The pressure to reduce the carbon footprint of every vehicle is immediate and intense. Meeting tougher green rules by 2026. New environmental rules in Japan and around the world are forcing manufacturers to act quickly. These regulations establish clear targets for the amount of recycled content within new vehicles. Japanese manufacturers, including giants like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, must meet these targets, especially for high-volume components. The focus is not just on engine emissions anymore. It's on the entire lifecycle of the car. This includes reducing vehicle weight to increase efficiency and dramatically increasing end-of-life recycling rates. For body panels and interior trims, which use large amounts of plastic, adopting recycled content is the fastest way to hit these strict 2026 compliance goals. Failing to meet these standards carries significant financial and reputational penalties. Consumers want cleaner, more eco-friendly cars now. Sustainability is no longer a fringe marketing concept, it's a core purchasing factor. Modern car buyers, particularly in major markets across Europe, North America, and Asia, favor brands that demonstrate visible commitment to environmental goals. Consumers view the use of recycled materials as a clear sign of corporate responsibility. Using recycled panels offers manufacturers a powerful marketing and sales point. It allows them to differentiate their vehicles in a crowded market. People are willing to pay more for products that align with their values, which is a significant shift in buying behavior. When a carmaker advertises that fenders or interior trims are made from recycled bottles, that message resonates strongly with environmentally aware drivers. What are these recycled car panels made of, anyway? When you hear recycled materials, you might picture weak, questionable plastics. That image is far from the truth in the automotive industry. The process of turning waste into car-grade panels involves sophisticated engineering and chemistry. Carmakers require materials that perform just as well as virgin resources, maintaining safety, durability, and a flawless finish. Turning old plastics into new car doors and other parts. The main materials targeted for recycling are common plastics used across the supply chain. These include recycled polypropylene, PP, often sourced from old car bumpers, dashboards, and industrial packaging. PP is excellent for door panels and interior trim pieces because of its durability. Recycled polyethylene terephthalate, PET, primarily sourced from plastic beverage bottles and containers, is increasingly engineered for use in fabric components, sound insulation, and in some cases, composite body structures. Recycled carbon fiber composites, although still less common, are being explored in high-end Japanese cars to reclaim expensive carbon fiber scraps from manufacturing processes for use in structural elements or exterior trim. The old material is meticulously collected, sorted, cleaned, and processed before it can become a new car part. Innovation and sustainability now go hand in hand in Japan's car industry. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.